welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and today's video is the second video in my series on cooking with rations. The recipe that I'll be cooking today was sent to me by a friend of mine that lives in the UK, and it is mock crab. She sent me a recipe that wasn't exactly like the recipe that is in the Victory cookbook. The Victory cookbook has the recipe as ½ ounce of margarine, 2 eggs or 2 reconstituted dry eggs, an ounce of cheese, and this is where it differs. It calls for 1 dessert spoon of salad dressing, and their salad dressing was made with a tablespoon of milk powder, 1 level tablespoon of dried egg powder, ½ a teaspoon of salt, a little pepper, dry mustard, and then to that they added a tablespoon of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So that was the salad dressing that they would use in the mock crab recipe. And then to that they would also add a few drops of vinegar, salt, and pepper. Our recipe today does not call for the salad dressing. It's using tomatoes instead. So that's the recipe I was sent, so that's the recipe we're going to follow today. So let me bring you in close and I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, we're going to start off with 4 eggs. All right, give these a whisk. And we're going to turn on the stove. Okay, to our pan, we're going to add a little bit of butter. Make sure these are whipped up really good. And we're going to go ahead and add our eggs to our pot. Now while this is starting to cook, the next thing we're going to do is take a can of stewed tomatoes. I've already drained the liquid. Looks like there's still more in here. And we're going to go ahead and give these a chop. Those little green bits. Give this a stir. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add the tomatoes. And I'm going to put in a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add in a few ounces of cheese. Let me know in the comments section below if any of you have ever had this mock crab. And if so, what variations do you do? Because I've seen some recipes that call for a little bit different ingredients. I'd be curious to see what you put in your mock crab. We're going to go ahead and let this cook up. Heat all the way through. So as you can see, this isn't actually crab, and nor will it taste like crab, but it does kind of look like it. So I think that's where it gets its name from, is because of the appearance. So tell me, if you were going to make this, what would you put in the recipe? What would you add to this? I'd probably add a little bit more seasonings, maybe a little bit of onion. Definitely a creative way of using what you have in your pantry, especially if you were needing to use up some dried eggs. Mixing it with some tomatoes would probably make it taste a lot better. I think this is done. It's warmed all the way through. All the eggs are cooked. The cheese is melted in. Now for serving this, you can serve it hot on toast. Or they would also serve it cold on a sandwich. Go ahead and give this a taste. That's very good. Would definitely be a good filling egg dish for breakfast, or even for lunch or supper. All right, so there you have it. Mock crab. Well, if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. Be sure to watch out for next Tuesday's video, where I'll have another Cooking with Rations recipe. Well, until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.